If you want to take a screenshot on your iPhone just by tapping the back of your device, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. First of all, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. Just go to the settings, then tap on General followed by Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. Next, go to the main settings menu and tap on Accessibility. After that, go into Touch. Here, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Back Tap. Here, you will see two options, double tap and triple tap. Choose the one you prefer and from the list of actions, select Screenshots. And that's all. Now, whenever you double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone, it will instantly take a screenshot without pressing any buttons. Follow these steps and your iPhone backtap screenshot feature should be working properly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.